Oh, I'm now like hungry. Just stopped for coffee and checking over the video footage, and everything I've done pretty much today so far is really bloody annoying. Has been recording the video but no sound, because the Mic Minis, none of them are connected, even though I've got this receiver wired in with the adapter, and it's supposed to like have brilliant connection. So I've been riding for like an hour and there's no bloody sound, just video. So what a bloody annoying. I keep switching this camera on now just to see if the two mics are connected, because I don't know if any of you are having the same problem, but I'm just losing trust in the connectivity between my Osmo Action 4 and the Mic Minis. The worst thing is going out vlogging and filming, and you get great video and you don't get the sound recording. One mic you can wirelessly connect it to the camera. Two mics you have to use the receiver, and they say that with the wired cable and the receiver it actually should be better. There we go again, just checking everything's working, everything's on. I think I can see them. Are they on? I think so. Have a little look. Yeah, they are. See what I mean? I'm like having to look at my rearview mirror to see whether or not the camera's working and recording. Well, the camera's working, let's just see if it's recording. And that's actually dangerous, because I'm looking in the bloody rearview mirror and trying to see if these tiny little lights are on, and not looking at the road. And I'm glad I'm vlogging now because the mics are working. The setup I have is good. They say it works the best. It does work the best. It's just connectivity. I don't know why it's just not always instantly like connecting. I think, well, it's actually, all right, okay, let's start again. The problem was that the Mic Minis had switched off, and that's the only problem. I switched them on after coffee. Hopefully it'll be okay. Let's get back to riding, because that's what we're here for, isn't it? And obviously with the Osmo Action 5 and the Osmo Action 6 and any subsequent cameras, you can use the wireless system, so that it will actually connect to the camera wirelessly, so you don't even need to worry about it. And as long as you don't have Bluetooth on your phone, anything like that that may be interfering with it and maybe causing a connection. I had that the other day. The phone actually connected to the camera instead of the mics. So when I go out now, I actually turn Bluetooth off on my mobile phone, and so the only Bluetooth signal that is possibly going to happen is between the camera and the mics. Right, so you've seen the problem. These little beauties, the DJI Mic Minis, they switch off and go to sleep mode, and they don't always switch back on. So to cure the problem, it's really easy. These have an 11 hour battery life. So go into the phone, into the Mimo app, like so. Put this into pairing mode, and it will pair with your app. And the fix is really simple. Mic Mini, connect. And then on here you've got a auto off button, and you literally switch that on like so, and that will now stay on permanently when you use your camera with your Osmo Action 4. With the Osmo Action 5 and 6 you can actually Bluetooth directly, you don't need the adapter, and it's as simple as that. So this will now stay on. It's 11-hour battery life, so you can go out riding all day, leave this switched on, and every time you press the record button on your camera, this will automatically connect, and you won't have any of the problems, because it is so frustrating when you're going out riding and you're doing nice videos and you don't get the sound. So you can talk to this all day long and the problem is solved. So there you are, a quick fix. So I hope you liked the video, hope you found it useful, and give it a thumbs up and a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.